This is my third Health-Lung Congress.
The fourth conference that I'm attending, spanning a period of about 6 years.
I am following for more than 4 years now.
This conference, though smaller in scale, but yet it hosts the who's who of the world pulmonology.
A very friendly environment.
I have loved my experience here. What I enjoy the most is the small group interaction that you can have with key opinion leaders in various spheres. The interaction that you can have even on a personal level is of huge value, and you take away ideas to do work in your own country in the way of research, which I think is unique to this program.
Small congress, all friends together, and this kind of event is really important as compared to big congresses. This conference brings a lot of learning points, a lot of opportunity for discussion, to exchange expertise and to have key learnings and knowledge.
I had the pleasure and also the luck to participate firstly as a fellow in respiratory diseases, and to be nominated as a Rising Star firstly, and to participate to the mentoring program. And I had now the luck to participate as a speaker and in the clinical cases. This came very quick.
The feedback which I got, I felt that was really, that would actually help me in improving my research in the future. So I think that experience was absolutely awesome.
How things have changed, I think, over the years that I have seen this meeting is that the variety of topics have actually increased in number. So you get to hear a little bit about niche areas in pulmonology which you don't really get to hear at other conferences. You hear sessions like year in review, the recent advancements, etc., and they're given to you almost as if it's a capsule that people can actually assimilate and then go back and use in their clinical practice. The presentations are in a clinical format, which means it becomes relevant to your day-to-day clinical practice.
I also know that the number of abstracts and the submissions more than tripled in the last 2-3 years. And this is also the sign of what is happening here.
I'm also a participant of mentoring program Future Leaders, and I guess it's a great opportunity to know how we should organize medical trials and how we should do it right and to get best results.
The juniors who go back have a very good experience about this meeting, and there's more numbers who want to come back and present their posters, and there's a lot of competition about the oral sessions which are available here.
Also, they can attend the conference for the scientific value it has, because the most important topics, the most important subjects, they are covered in an almost informal way, and you get the opportunity again of asking questions, solving your queries, like sometimes it's not possible in the bigger conferences.